Normally, when you do a mock, there are 3 or 4 types of mistakes. One is you fell into a trap. The choices were so designed to make sure that you mark that, right? So the trap is a conceptual mistake, right? You missed something. And the examiner knows that a lot of students miss this case. So that trap, so you have to be conscious, and must know what is the learning. Okay, when I come across a question like this, I seem to be not reading the fact that it is integers, right? So keep the learnings, right? Document the learnings as you do the analysis. The second mistake is careless, right? I have seen a lot of students mixing up the two. Sir, ये case miss हो गया, careless mistake था. वो careless नहीं था. जो miss कर गए आप, conceptual mistake था. जो careless है, that is like 3 + 4 = 8, where you're not present mentally while doing the test, doing that question. Either you're still hanging on to what you were doing in the last. अच्छा उसका answer सही था कि नहीं था, right? While I'm doing this question, or you're saying, oh, this is already done. Let me move to the next question. So when you're not mentally present, that's a behavioral mistake, right? You must make sure that the same things don't repeat. The third mistake is you started off with something, but you did not know that you can do it, but you still tried something, and at the end you took a risk and marked something and walked out. That's a mistake of not knowing the concept fully. So that also needs a lot of revision. You thought you could do it, but you could not finally. So maybe something you missed out. So I think it's important to go back to those questions and revise them. Do it all over completely to know which part you missed out. And the final mistake I would say is those questions that you did not attempt. There was a lot of questions that you could have. So why did you miss them? The mistake is either you did not read them, or so I think it's important to know how do I quickly read something and understand whether I can do it or not. So the ability to do that comes through practice, right? So all these I'm going to document in a notebook. You must have a notebook for your mocks, right? Or you must have some Excel sheet where you can write down all this, so that later on if I want to revise, I can always go back and revise all the things where I got trapped. Look at those questions maybe 1 month, 2 months later, and see, do you fall into the same trap again? Questions that you missed because of conceptual errors, go back and revise. So documentation of mistakes is a very critical part of making your performance better. So जब तक वो नहीं करोगे आप, I think mistakes होता ही रहेगा, right? I mean mistakes तो होगा ही आगे, नए mistakes बननी चाहिए, पुराने mistakes repeat नहीं करनी चाहिए. That I think is the crux of improving your performance. To do that, you have to practice a lot, take a lot of mocks, and join the CL test series.